Hello again, and welcome to another alternative card using the July 2021 Paper Pumpkin The Adventure Begins kit. This is using a Misty Moonlight card base with one of the interiors of the cards in the kit, and I took the envelope. These are the envelopes that come in the kit. They are absolutely gorgeous, and I trimmed off a strip that I could put "The World Awaits." So with this, I just took my Misty Moonlight ink pad, inked up the stamp, centered it on the greeting bar. There we go. And that's basically it. This card is really super quick, super easy. I have trimmed the insert from the card down to 5 1/4 by 4. I'm putting it on a Misty Moonlight card base, and then I'm putting the greeting on the card front, just lining it up like that, anchoring it down, putting a couple of the sequins on it, just to bling it up a little bit. And it's that quick and that simple. The background really does all the work on this one, and we just stamp a greeting and away we go. So thank you so much for watching this really quick, super simple alternative card using the July 2021 Paper Pumpkin kit called The Adventure Begins. So thank you very much, and we will create together again.